everyone, this is the third video in Mr. P's tutorial about making money with Clickbank as fast as possible. In this video, you will see how you can and should begin your Clickbank adventure for free, and you will also see how being different is important, and tips to help you to be different. The training in this series will work in any niche, and with any affiliate product or service, and with any network. In other words, you can apply the training however you choose. In Part 1 we covered keywords, in Part 2, how to get an unfair advantage. You will find a link below to Part 1. Free. Most new affiliate marketers are convinced that it is going to take money to make money. When it comes to getting started online as an affiliate marketer, that is not true. There is no need to spend money to get started. Mr. P is a lifetime member of a site called Groove and a free member of a site called Systeme. Both of these sites provide beginners with a complete marketing platform. This means that you will have all the tools and resources that you will need to get started, and all in one place, and all at no cost. Groove's free version stays free, up to 500 email subscribers. Systeme's free version is up to 2,000 subscribers. You will find Mr. P's affiliate links to each platform in the description below. You will also find a link below to Mr. P's Ultimate List, which is a compilation of more free tools and resources. Mr. P strongly recommends that you start for free. It is a sound business strategy. Moving on to being different. Be human. Being different is a real plus, it always has been, but being different is going to help you now more than ever. Why? Artificial intelligence is being touted as the way to do your affiliate marketing. Mr. P uses AI, it has its place and it can be a time saver. But most people are overdoing it. What is happening is that more and more sites, due to AI, are losing the human side of marketing, both in content and in engagement. Keeping your content human and personal, and, especially your engagement, can make your site different. Your benefit is that your being human will improve your visitors' experience. Another way to be different is with stories. Your visitors love stories. Of course, your stories should be relative to your niche. It is okay to include stories in your articles, posts, and pages. As you gain experience, your stories will help you to keep your visitors on your pages. On your website, you can even have a story section. Your content will be different, and since your visitors love stories, they will stay, they will return, they will love your site, they will trust your site, they will join your list, and they will make purchases. People want to know you, trust you, and like you. Know, trust, and like are the cornerstones for online success. Stories will act as a shortcut to build trust, know and like. Humor. Again, when you provide humor, you are giving your visitors what they love. Adding humor to your content is different, and has a positive effect on your visitors' experience. Adding a section such as the lighter side of dog care, weight loss, or whatever your niche, will make your site different, and it will benefit both your visitors and you. Returns. By returns, I mean visitors returning to your site. Being different is going to help your site and help you get more returns, but here is a trick that will also help you. As you build your content, keep returns in mind. Remind yourself, I want my visitors to return. List building is great and should be a main focus, but doing everything you can do to make your visitors want to return should still be an important objective when creating your content. Fun. Most websites are about filling your visitors' needs or desires, keywords, sales, and signups. What happens is that they are often impersonal, and not much fun. Another way to make your site different is to make it fun. You will benefit because content creation will be more fun for you. Best of all, you visitors will enjoy it, and your visitors will much more likely return. Next is Part 4. In Part 4 we will be making a visit to Clickbank. Our visit will be a bit different. We will be specifically geared to how a beginner can get the most help and value from Clickbank sellers. One of your benefits is less effort. Your main benefit is that you can make more money and make it faster. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you, and if you are interested in this kind of content, consider joining the channel so that Mr. P can let you know when new videos are published. Thank you for watching.